Welcome to Behind the Pages, where we take a closer look at the lives of famous authors of children's literature. Today, we will dive into the life and work of Beatrix Potter. From Peter Rabbit to Jemima Puddle Duck, Potter's stories and illustrations have been cherished by children and adults around the world for more than a century. So, follow along as we go behind the pages and learn about Beatrix Potter. Beatrix Potter, a life of nature, art, and conservation. Beatrix Potter, born Helen Beatrix Potter on July 28, 1866, was an English writer, illustrator, natural scientist, and conservationist. She is best known for the tale of Peter Rabbit. Her books have sold more than 250 million copies worldwide, making her one of the best-selling children's authors of all time. Early life and artistic beginnings. Born into a wealthy London family, Potter spent much of her childhood in the countryside, where she developed a deep love for nature and a fascination with small animals. She began sketching and painting from an early age, capturing the creatures she encountered in her detailed and expressive illustrations. In 1890, she began selling her watercolors of fungi under the pseudonym Myrtle Reed. Her work attracted attention from experts in the field of mycology, which is the study of fungi, and she became a respected amateur mycologist. The Tale of Peter Rabbit and Literary Success. In 1893, Potter wrote a letter to a young child named Noel Warren, the son of her former governess, to entertain him during his illness. The letter, which featured a tale about a mischievous rabbit named Peter, became the foundation for her most famous work, The Tale of Peter Rabbit. Over the next few years, Potter continued to write and illustrate stories about animal characters, including Squirrel Nutkin, Benjamin Bunny, and Jemima Puddle Duck. In 1901, she decided to publish The Tale of Peter Rabbit herself, producing a small, hand-bound edition of the book. The book was a success, and Potter soon attracted the attention of publishers. In 1902, Frederick Warne and Company published The Tale of Peter Rabbit commercially, marking the beginning of Potter's long and successful career as a children's author. Over the next 4 decades, she wrote and illustrated 23 tales, each featuring a unique animal character and a heartwarming story. Conservationist and preserver of the Lake District, Potter's passion for nature extended beyond her illustrations and stories. She was a keen observer of the environment and a strong advocate for conservation. In 1905, she purchased Hilltop, a working farm in the Lake District of England, which became her beloved home and a source of inspiration for her work. Throughout her life, Potter acquired and managed several farms in the Lake District, working to preserve the traditional farming practices and the natural beauty of the region. She was instrumental in establishing the National Trust, an organization dedicated to protecting the natural and cultural heritage of England, Wales, and Northern Ireland. Legacy. Beatrix Potter's enduring legacy lies in her captivating children's books, which continue to delight and inspire readers of all ages. Her characters have become beloved icons, and her illustrations are recognized for their charm, accuracy, and attention to detail. Beyond her literary achievements, Potter's dedication to conservation and her role in preserving the Lake District have left a lasting impact on the environment. She is remembered as a pioneer of children's literature, a gifted artist, and a passionate conservationist who made a significant contribution to the natural world. Join us next time as we explore another fantastic author's life and stories. Until then, keep reading, keep dreaming, and keep being amazing. Before we go, if you enjoyed this journey through Beatrix Potter's life, please subscribe to our channel, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you won't miss the next Behind the Pages.